In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Favicon in the Hostinger web builder. A favicon is the small icon that appears in a browser tab next to your website name. And even though it's a tiny detail, it can make your site look much more polished and professional. If you've already got your logo or brand icon ready, this process is pretty quick. One thing to keep in mind though is that many people look in the wrong area of the builder when trying to change it. So I'll show you exactly where that setting is. To get started, go to Hostinger, open the website section, and choose the option to edit your website. This will launch the Hostinger website builder, which is where you'll make the favicon update. If your site takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just wait until the builder is fully open so all the settings are available. Once you're inside the builder, look for the SEO section. Under SEO, click on the More option, which is shown with the three dots. This is easy to miss because it's not always the first place people think to check, but this is where additional site settings are grouped. After that, click on General Settings. This is that setting I mentioned at the start because the favicon option isn't usually changed directly from the main page editor. Opening General Settings gives you access to broader website level options rather than just page content. Inside General Settings, click on Favicon. This will open the area where you can manage the small icon used for your site in browser tabs and bookmarks. If there's already an image there, don't worry. You can replace it in the next step. Now click on Replace Image. This tells the builder that you want to swap the current favicon for a new one. At this point, you'll be able to choose the image file you want to use. Select your image from your files or media library depending on what Hostinger shows in your builder. Try to use a clear, simple image that still looks good when displayed very small. Favicons are tiny, so icons with too much detail can become hard to recognize. Once your image is selected, click Save Changes. This final step applies the update and stores the new favicon in your website settings. After saving, you may need to refresh the browser or give it a little time before the new icon appears everywhere, since browser caching can sometimes delay the update. That's all it takes to add a favicon in the Hostinger website builder. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.